angelic one, holy one. It is time to awaken and remember your true multidimensional nature. Remember that you are not this body. You are greater. You must realize that you have put on a persona, aka personality, which puts you in a box because you were not accepted by the world. So you put on a facade and gave them something that they would accept, when in reality, if you knew your true nature, if you knew how expansive and infinite and multifaceted you are, you would understand that it is important for you to embody all aspects of your Atma Buddhi Manas, aka the higher self. It cannot be put in a box of an ego. It cannot be subjugated to one unit of consciousness. It is different aspects that make up the whole.